Hello students. So today we're going to see about the revenue models. So already we learned about business models, right? So what is mean by business models in electronic commerce? So business models means it the transactions between any two. That means it may be from business to customer or customer to business, business to government or government to business, like that. From any two parties the transactions are happening means it comes under the business models. And today we are going to learn about the revenue models. So revenue model means there are also some other websites who are earning money through online. So not only the business models, that means from one end to other, not only they are earning the money through the online, there are also some other websites or some other modes for earning money in online is possible. So today we are going to see that is called the revenue models. Okay. So, apart from regular selling of commodities, today there are many other ways by which companies can make money from internet. So, other from e-commerce activities are so not only through not only by direct link, there are also many ways we can earn money through the internet. Okay, so first one is affiliate site. So affiliate site means it is a third party marketing. So here the third party will earn money by using the transactions between any two dealers. For example, I can say, um, you know about redbus.com, right? It is an ticket booking site. It is a website. Okay, so if I want to book if I want to travel from Chennai to Kanyakumari, okay, so I want to book a bus ticket. So what I will do, I will log in into the redbus.com website and I will check there. There may be listed many buses according to the rates. So I will compare each and every one, and sometimes I will book any bus according to my wish by comparing others, and I will book according to my wish. So just I book the ticket. So now I am directly paying to the, if it is SMS bus means I'm directly click to the SMS and I will pay the ticket. Okay, so here what is the benefit of redbus.com website? Here they are so by booking in redbus.com, but I am directly paying to SMS bus. Also the redbus.com will get the commission from the SMS bus. Okay, so this is the third party who is earning money. So there are many websites like this who are earning money like that. By that means by saying their reviews about the product, they are earning money. And sometimes many hotels, there are many websites where we can get inside and we can book our trips or book our hotels. We can compare with other hotels and we can book, and so that not only the hotel we there is the transaction between me and the hotel, even though they will pay commission to that website also, like that. So that website is the third party, and he is also earning money from our transactions. So that is called the affiliate site. The next one is action site. Action site means so there are some websites who will offer, who will buy products from other retailers, and they will give offer to their products and they will sell, like ebay.com. I think you all know about ebay.com, right? So from what they will do, according to the offers, the customers will buy the products, so that the eBay website will also earn money from the transaction between the customer and the businessman. Okay, so this is the next one. Then banner advertisement site. If you are seeing the Facebook, you may see many advertisement, right? Like if for examples, um, many, that means about Zomato, Swiggy, everything. We can see the advertisement while viewing any websites. So for that advertisement, even if you're seeing the Facebook, if you're seeing any advertisement, that advertisement company may give commission to the Facebook, so that Facebook can earn money from for that advertisement. Okay, so like that, for the banner advertisement site, some websites or earn money. Then bulk buying site, that means there are some websites from where we can buy directly from the manufacturer. So the website has no work. What he was doing, he was directly linking the manufacturer and the dealer. He was directly linking. That means like Alibaba. I think you all know about Alibaba website. So what is that Alibaba website? From while you're getting to the Alibaba website, I can, if I want to buy a bunch of products for my business. Okay, so I don't know any contacts, but if I get into Alibaba website, means I can see many manufacturer of the products which I want. So from that I can get the details and I can buy the products. That means wholes for wholesale products, all the manufactured items, anything I can directly buy from that site. So for the transaction was between me and the manufacturer, even though the Alibaba website will earn money, will get the commission. Okay, so like this. Then digital publishing site, that means some digital publishing means like any digital books or like in digital stories, any blogs. So while we are reading, we have to pay the money and we have to read the stories. There are some, while we are um, downloading any songs, we are paying money to that site. That means while we visit to some website, there may have some new songs, and if I want to download, we want to pay, right? So like that, that is digital publishing site. Then licensing site. A licensing site means here we want to pay for the software which we are searching. That means if I want to use any software, means we have to we can get into the site and we can view that site, and they will get the money, and that site will earn money. The next one is name your price site. It's also same like already I said. That means according to the prices. That means first I said no, some hotels or some trip planning sites. So what they will do, we can get into the site and we can book, we can compare the prices, and we can book the hotels. So that just we are paying to the hotels, even though the site will earn money by from the hotels, they will get the commissions. Okay, that is name your price site. Then online shopping mall site, it was just like the e-commerce trading, like Amazon and Flipkart. What you're thinking about Amazon and Flipkart, it also is working like that, working like the same, because Amazon or Flipkart are not selling any products. What was this site where we can get? That means if I want to buy any woodland product, okay, I want to buy one woodland bag, so Amazon is not selling the woodland bag. who was selling the Woodland? It was directly uploaded by the Woodland. The product I will get directly from the Woodland shop only. But it was a site, Amazon was a site where I can go and view the product. So that what the benefit of the Amazon, he will get the commission. Okay, so from all the branded or for all the products company, the Amazon or Flipkart, they, this is a separate company. Amazon is a separate company, and Woodland and all the products in the Amazon is a separate company products. But Amazon is a third party and he is earning money from all these companies. Okay guys, so this is about the revenue models. So please learn this question. It is also an important question. Thank you guys.